We are out in motherfucking nature.
Yeah.
In the dead of winter.
Yep.
I shouldn't be doing this shit.
Nobody should.
Should not be doing this shit. You see the motherfucking sun?
Mother Nature's drunk as fuck.
Mother Nature is drunk as fuck. You are right. Gotta get out in nature. We decided to stay away from the gym today. We took our workout out here. Down this motherfucking hill. I ain't trying to fall. I got it. I'm going. I'm going. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Shit. Stop talking. Stop talking. Yeah. Yeah, we're lost. We're fucking lost. Fucking lost. We're gonna die. Oh god. So much I haven't done. I'm still a virgin at 30-something years old. Anybody out there, if they want to fix that, I'm just saying.